I often tell people that the impacts that the logistics team has keeps the units on the road.
Your vehicle is really your most important tool. Without them, you're not going to get to a call.
So special operations and logistics is over all of our disaster response teams, SWAT, urban search and rescue, hazmat, honor guard, and the logistics portion is one of the fun parts of my job, where we deal with all the vehicle maintenance, all of the supply and fleet services with the district. I often tell people that the impacts that the logistics team has keeps the units on the road. There's an old saying that no war has ever been won without a solid logistics team, and I take pride in that motto.
I'm Robert Kimna. I've been working here with the district for going on 23 years. Prior to that, I was working in a small shop that also serviced ambulances, and that's how I got my career started in working with emergency vehicles. So what I work on is ambulances now. We have close to 35 of them to keep running, and we run 50,000 calls a year, so that takes a lot of maintenance. A lot of it's oil changes, brake jobs, suspension work, things that wear out all the time. But then the thing that makes it special is that it's an ambulance, so it's always carrying people as well, and medics that are treating people. I like it for 2 or 3 reasons. One, usually what I suggest needs to be done, they say, fix it, how soon? Another thing I like is that I'm working on something that I feel helps the public, and I feel like I'm a part of what's helping people when they're in their worst times. Your vehicle is really your most important tool. Without them, you're not going to get to a call or be able to treat somebody and transport them to the hospital, so that's all very important. I take a lot of pride in making sure these trucks are as best as I can make them.
Logistics and support staff are typically the behind the scenes, don't typically get all the glory and know about of what's going on out in the street. Our job and our goal is to make sure the paramedics have the tools they need to do their job to effectively impact lives positively. Positive impacts from the ground level, from custodial staff, all the way through the chief. Everybody has that same goal in mind of improving patient outcomes. Without logistics, they can't do their job. Without the paramedics, logistics can't do their job. So it's really a team effort. Everybody puts in their expertise and makes what they can better to make everything better for the end goal of improving patients.